Hey guys, so in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the turn signal bulb on a Toyota Corolla from model year 2014 all the way to 2019. So right now we're going to do this on the driver's side, but it works in exactly the same way on the passenger side as well. And we have to do this from the inside of the trunk. When we take a close look at the carpeting here, then you see these two small black plastic retainers, and we have to remove both of these in order to get right behind the carpeting. Now there are special tools to remove these, but we can also just use a simple flat blade screwdriver to pry them loose. You just kind of pull them out, and the first time you do this is actually going to be relatively hard, so it won't be just as easy as I just showed you here. So just be aware that it may take you a little bit longer. Once we remove both retainers, then it's time to fold back the carpet just a little bit so that we can get access here to the light bulbs and the harness. The bulb for the turning signal is the one on the top, and in order to get some easier access, I'm first removing the connector to the harness by just pressing on this little plastic button here. See, I'm simply pressing this down and then I can pull out the connector. To remove the light bulb socket, we have to just rotate the socket counterclockwise by about 1/8 of a turn, and then we can simply pull it out and we have the light bulb in our hand. And to remove it from the socket, we're going to pull it straight up. The original bulb is of type WY21W, but in case you're having a hard time finding that type, you can also use the 7440. And to install it, firmly press it down into the socket until it clicks into position. Now we can start to reassemble everything, and we insert the socket here into that hole. And once the socket is all the way in, make sure to rotate it by 1/8 of a turn clockwise and ensure that it is sitting nice and tight. Then of course we have to reconnect the harness, make sure that it clicks into position. And we are already pretty much done. All we have to do at this point is fold back the carpet to where it used to be. And I hope you still have those two plastic retainers, which we simply push through those two holes here in the carpet, and then we are really done. We have successfully replaced our light bulb. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.